Hey, how's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video, I'm going to talk about how to eat a high carbohydrate plant-based diet. Now, this is going to be a little different. If you've seen my previous videos, this is a little different because in today's video, I'm not eating any added fats. I'm just eating real high carbs. And the reason I'm doing this right now is because I'm in a cleansing phase. And the reason that's happening is because I have this little irritation rash on my forehead that I'm trying to get rid of. So I'm going to do a period of time where I'm going to be not eating any additional fats. Normally I'm eating, avocados and nuts and seeds along with my plant-based diet. But temporarily, right now, I'm not going to be eating any of those things. So I'm going to show an example of if you have some skin issues or if you have something going on and you want to cleanse that out, these are some options, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to be eating while I clear up this skin irritation. So I'm intermittent fasting as usual, and I had my first meal at 1:30 p.m., which was a liter of green juice. So this liter of green juice was really simple. It was about half cucumbers and half celery. So just starting it off, real hydrating with this green juice to get things going. Now, throughout the morning, I had probably around 2 liters of water, and that's all I had. So wake up around 6:30 in the morning and just sort of sip water throughout the day, stay nice and hydrated, and then broke the fast at 1:30 p.m. with this green juice. Then just after that, I had an apple. It sort of cleans out my teeth. Next up at 3 p.m., I put together a smoothie. So for this smoothie, I used 1 cup of coconut water. I used 2 cups of frozen mixed berries. I had 3 dates, and then I had 3 bananas. So nice and simple fruit smoothie, hydrating, delicious. It's really good with the dates in there as well, gives it a good flavor. And that made just about a liter, which was perfect. Then for a snack at 5 p.m., I had a pear and a little bowl of grapes just before dinner. Then I finished things up at 6 p.m. with some veggie stir fry. I had a couple large carrots and a large sweet potato, and I just used a little low sodium veggie broth to saute it. I cooked that for about maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I added in a bunch of mushrooms, kale, and a little less than half of the cannellini beans there, and I threw in some cayenne and Italian seasoning. So super simple. There it is. I'm just added in the mushrooms and the kale and the beans and the spices, and I had 2 large bowls. So that was it for the day. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.